Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight, soybean prices about unchanged. Corn's down 2 to 3 cents. Wheat's down 3 to 4 cents. Market's kind of on hold right now, awaiting next Tuesday's USDA report, which gives us first official U.S. corn, soybean crop size based on actual field surveys and farmer surveys. There is a lot of question marks as to how big the USDA's corn yield is going to be relative to their last number and what that does to the carryout. Also, just on the beans, is there enough information for them to change their bean yields or their bean supply and demand data? Demand for beans remains good. China's buying December U.S. soybeans, which keeps export prices high. Also in the corn market, there's not a lot of farmers selling, and so that has improved the basis in corn, trying to pull that last bit of last year's crop out of the farmers' hands and into the pipeline. From a weather standpoint, it's rained yesterday in Iowa and Missouri. It rains right now in Missouri and parts of Illinois. This might be offering a little bit of resistance to the marketplace. Over the next 2 weeks, there should be normal rains across most of the Midwest. The question mark, though, is there is no heat in the forecast, which should help U.S. crops, especially corn, finish, and August is the key month for the soybeans. Headlines are pretty full of yesterday's Russia sanctions against U.S. imports of chicken, also hogs and nuts, and some little bit of soybeans they bring in. There's already word that the Russians are looking for Brazil chicken to replace that. From an economic standpoint, it's not expected to have a big impact on the U.S. economy. But again, the push and shove type reaction and action because of Ukraine continues to keep the financial markets a little bit on edge. So we're waiting for the weather here in the United States. We're waiting for any news about Ukraine, and we're waiting for Tuesday's USDA report to figure out in the grains, especially in the beans and corn, do we take another leg lower going into harvest, or do we kind of hold at current price levels? Not much in the news that would make the markets rally unless the weather had an abrupt change. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
You're all 780-868-75.